Yeah. Now, first thing, can you go to that help?
Okay. Sorry. That's fine.
Yeah. Go to third-party licensing. And in the vendor name, enter right choice advisors, R capital, C capital. Yeah, RIGHT. In A capital, yeah, advisors, SORS. And you can put your last name here, and you can add your 1, 2, 3, 4, or last four of your phone number, something.
Last four number, anything?
Yeah, last four of your phone number.
Sorry,
So that
last four of what number?
of your phone number, last four
Phone
digits
number.
of your
Okay.
phone number. Right. If we want to make some modification, it will be very easy.
Okay.
Otherwise, if we search on Patel, there can be 100 Patels.
Yeah, that's really a lot of it.
Right. Yeah, you can click on submit. And yeah, just copy that in the Zoom chat. So now, I'm going to the backend and I'm providing you the access. So you can use these different Prism algo and also the different indicators. So every machine ID will have, right, each computer will be associated with the machine ID. So you share that machine ID to me. Now I'm using that machine ID. I am telling that, okay, provide access to this particular user for this particular system to all these softwares.
Question, Kishore. Can we use a multiple machine or we can only use for one machine?
You can use only for one machine.
One machine. And if we want to change later on, we can do that, right?
Yeah, you can send the previous one and the current one.
Okay. Perfect.
Good. Otherwise, there is no way for us to validate whether you are using it in two machines or you and you are sharing or. Now you can log out of your NinjaTrader. Yeah,
Just
you
click
can.
the submit.
No, you can close it. Yeah,
Okay, just close. Okay.
you can completely log out and log back in.
Oh, sorry. Maybe the error to log in now.
Yeah,
Stop.
can you open your Rhythmic Trade Pro?
Okay. Oh, open the Redmi Trade Pro first.
Yeah, I think you did some wrong configuration there.
Okay.
Is that orders should be on or off? At the top you have orders, right? Yeah, can you keep that as, yeah. No, no, not the selective load. Yeah, make both of them as off.
Okay, please enable to continue.
You can then enable it here.
Prices. I couldn't get in touch with anybody. We don't have any of the rights, so I wanted to.
What next?
Market data is off, right?
Yeah.
You have market data is off. Yeah, now you don't need to open that Rhythmic Pro. Now just open the NinjaTrader.
No.
So again, right, one question from Vasant that he's asking, he's new to prop firm trading. Should he focus only on stocks and options? So it is like you have a tool. How you want to use, where you want to use is completely up to you. You can trade during evening time with futures. You can do India stocks. You can do India options. You can do currencies throughout the day. So it is up to each of you on how you want to make money. The same logic, same strategies will apply to all cryptos, currencies, futures, stocks, everything. Right? I don't know what are your office timings or how you want to use it. But even if you spend 1 hour every day, you can make $200-300, even in a personal account, if you just follow that rule. Right? You don't need to trade throughout the day because some of the members might have missed in the evening. So we whenever we see a good setup, we share it. But it doesn't mean that you have to take all the trades. If you are only free in the evening time, just use it. Right? That too, you try to understand why we are taking the trade. Right? We don't want it to be an alert channel where we are telling you buy it or sell it. Whenever I say buy, you go and see the chart. Okay, why he is taking a long, why he is taking a short. After 3 or 4 times, you will understand, okay, why we took a long, why we took a short. Next time, whenever you see the similar type of setup, you can confidently take the trade. Yeah, now go to, did you download those files?
Yes, I have downloaded.
Yeah, now can you go to tools? Did you import them already or?
No, I haven't. You want
Okay, go to that Ninja script add-on, import Ninja script add-on.
so first what we are importing? Importing the bot
Yeah,
or the indicators?
yeah, you can import the bot, Prism bot. Yeah, now repeat the same steps for each of the indicators.
Okay.
Right, first import the ultimatum. Right, all the other members, please follow the same steps. Right, I shared the Google Drive link where we have the software. He gave the machine ID. I gave access to him. So otherwise, if you just download the software, it won't work. I have to give the permissions in the backend. Then only that software will work in his machine.
What is the next one? Beta channel.
Right. Yeah. You can do channel.
What is it? So Kishore, all of that TV indicators, what we have pretty much the same one here, or it will be the different?
Yeah, it will be nearly similar.
Near similar. Okay.
Yeah. The only thing is here you don't need to manually click on buy sell buttons.
Okay.
Automatically the Prism algo will take the trades.
Okay. So whenever they see the condition, okay. Next one you want to do, we did Altium, we did the channel, we do the
Yeah,
beta.
you can do the beta. Yeah.
Okay, so whenever they trigger the buy or sell signals based on algo, based on the indicator, the bot will automatically initiate the orders, correct?
Right, that is right. But yeah, I'll explain about each indicator and how
Okay,
the algo works.
okay,
Now you can also do the events, the last one. Right, I hope everyone is clear with the process. So the first step is you have to give the machine ID using vendor name as right choice advisors. Then second step is I will provide the access at the backend. Third step, you have to download the files from the Google Drive, the link which I shared, and then you have to import all those files. That means now you are NinjaTrader. You added our software into your NinjaTrader system. Yeah. So just now you added all the indicators, right?
yeah,
So now what you do is, yeah, let us add one by one indicator. I'll explain what that each indicator will do. Yeah, go to indicators and first let us start with events.
yeah. So is there any particular order we need to install or it doesn't matter?
No, there is no order. Yeah, just go to right and select the RC events.
Events
Mm,
first?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Click on add button and then click on apply. So I'll explain one by one.
okay,
Did it get added? Okay. But generally, what this will do is, right, as I mentioned, whenever there is a FOMC report or CPI, PPI, job report, anything, generally there will be a huge volatility, sudden up and downs, right? Within 1 second, 5 seconds, NQ can go up 40, 50 points up and suddenly drop 40, 50 points. So, right, every day I send the news or on the weekends I tell you, right, okay, these are the events, make sure you don't trade because that can be very risky, or right, when you trade during that time, if you don't close within the time, it can impact the trial stop loss. Or you may be in a long, suddenly there can be a bad news, market can go down. So that's why it is, so that events, what it will do is it will flash that okay, in 7:30 there is a PPA report or 7:30 there is a ADP job report. So that news you will see on the top. Yeah. So you have to right click and you have to add the go to indicators.
that's
Yeah. You have to go to right choice folder and then you have to add one by one. You can add all of them together or you can add one by one. Click on then you click on the apply. So now can you remove that le- let us just go one by one. Yeah, please remove channel and beta for now. Yeah, beta also you can remove. Yeah. So this is like our ultimatum algo, ultimatum in the trading view, where if you see a red color, right, that means the overall trend is bearish. If you see green color, that means the trend is bullish. Generally, if the price is above the cloud, that means the price, right, the cloud will become green and also it will be bullish. That means it is always good for long, right? You should not generally go short. You should always try to go long whenever the cloud is green. When the cloud is red, you should always look for the short opportunities. right? That's what the ultimatum will do. It will tell you whether the trend is bullish or trend is bearish. Yeah, now you can add the channel. Now, let us say, right, channel is just like in the trading view, we have channel, right? Channel top, channel bottom. If you see the cloud green and price came to the bottom of the channel, that means it is very good opportunity to go long, right? You can either manually click on the buy button or you can just enable the prism. You know that price, the cloud is green, price came to the bottom of the channel. You just enable, right? Instead of enabling it somewhere in between the channel, if you enable at the bottom or if you enable at the top, you have much higher chances of success. So that's what, right? Whenever cloud is green, if you enable at the bottom, you will make nice profits. Whenever cloud is red, you enable at the top. Whenever cloud is green, you enable at the bottom. That is where. So, right, there is nothing with the algo. Only thing is we added few more indicators to make your job easy. So now you know that, okay, whenever price, for example, now this NQ came to the bottom, right? For example, if this happens in the morning, right, your cloud color is green. That means it is a good opportunity to go long. Right? You can just enable the Prism algo. Algo will take care of buy and sell. You don't need to do anything. Only thing is you need to know when to enable the algo. That's it. Is that clear? Yeah. Now let's add the last one. The beta. Double click. Yeah. Can you just move the beta to the top? You have to, yeah, go back to the indicators. Yeah, just no, yeah, yeah. Select that and up. Yeah, say apply. Yeah,
First,
do apply. Yeah,
okay.
say okay. So this is like our order blocks, right? Whenever you see a red order block, price goes there and coming down. That means, right? Whenever price goes to the red order block, the price will come down. Whenever price goes to the green order block, the price will go up, right? Just like in the beta algo or in the top trend, we have these green rectangle, red rectangle. In the same way, here you have. So even without using Prism, without using Trading View, you can just use these indicators. You can do the buy market, sell market here in the NinjaTrader. Even you don't have Trading View also. Whenever price comes to the bottom of the channel, if the cloud is green, you click on the buy market. Whenever it goes to the top of the channel, touches the red rectangle, goes to the out of the channel, you click on the sell market. So is that clear? Just like in Trading View, we have all those indicators. Here also you have all the indicators are where you have to manually click on the buy and sell signals. Right? Indicators will help you when to do the buy, when to do the sell. They will give some alerts, they will give some coloring, they will give some notification for you to, right, based on the cloud color, based on the channel, based on whether it is a buy order block or sell order block. You can do long or short. Now let us enable the Prism. So you already imported, right? Yeah, now go to strategies. Right? Strategy means it is an algorithm, right? Indicator means you have to do manually buy and sell. Strategy means the algo itself will do the buy and sell. You don't need to enable any of the indicators, right? For the strategy to work. Strategy itself will do the buy and sell. But to know when to enable this Prism algo, those indicators will help us. Should I enable long only? Should I do short only? Right? Yeah. For example, now he's in a right. He added the Prism. So, for example, Tejas, what do you think? Should we do both directions or should we do long only now? Or should, right,
Yeah.
go to the trade direction, drop the first drop down, the
Uh,
first one in the top. Right, you have three options there: long only, short only, and both. So long only means it will only take the buy trades. Whenever it sees a sell, it will close and it will wait for the next buy. Short only means it will only take the sell trades. Whenever it sees a buy signal, it will just close the sell and it will again wait for the next sell signal. So now NQ is right. Yeah. What do you think NQ where it is? Is
So,
NQ bullish or bearish? First thing,
looks like a bearish.
is it right? You have to look at the cloud color. What is the cloud color?
Cloud color is green right now, but looks
Yeah,
yeah, and at
that
the
means
bottom.
overall trend is bullish, right? Yeah,
Bullish,
now,
yes, it is
yeah, I
bullish.
got your point that it came down, but
Hmm.
overall trend is bullish,
Bullish, yes.
right? If you see the channel direction, it is pointing towards upside,
Towards upward, yes.
right? That means overall the trend is bullish.
Bullish,
But now the price is at the bottom of the channel. So
right.
where it can go up? Can it go down or can it go up or
It can go up to at least the middle.
right? Higher possibility for it to go up. So instead of taking a both directions, we can just do long only.
Okay.
Right? Whenever a ticker is bullish, you have to use long only. Whenever a ticker is bearish, you have to use short only. Otherwise, if you do two directions, what will happen is there even for a small pullback also it may take a sell signal.
Okay.
Right? Suddenly it will start going up again, it will take a buy signal. So you are unnecessarily losing some profits.
Okay.
Right? So now yeah, you will do long only. Second thing, you disable that session. Right? If you want to only run between, for example, only from 8 o'clock to night 8 o'clock to night 10 o'clock you want to run it, you can put the time, or you want to just let the algo handle it. And whenever you want to sleep, you can just go ahead and disable the algo.
Yeah, so if we enable this one, it will only run between this time.
Right. Only between the time. That means 10 o'clock, whatever is your local time, only
Okay.
from that 10 o'clock to 11:30 it will take.
Okay, so 10 o'clock AM to 11:30 AM.
Yeah, based on your laptop time. Yeah.
Okay, based on my computer EST time. Okay. I'm on a EST zone. So based on that one, okay. So only that hour and a half this algo will run. Otherwise, and in
Right.
it
And that too,
automatic
it is the AM, right? Because it's a 24-hour format.
right, 10 be one.
For
Okay, got it.
right. For example, you want to run it from 9 EST, 9 p.m. EST, then you need to change it as 21 hours.
21
21
hours. Okay.
00 4
First
zeros.
two, yeah, first two digit will be 21. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And if we deselect this one, it will continue to run all 23 hours.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So
Right.
this
But again, it is not a good idea to make it run throughout the day because
right,
when the volume is choppy, there is no volume at all. There can be quick buy and sell for every 1 2 candles. There can be a buy, there can be a sell. So we only run during high volume hours like
high
8 p.m.
volume.
to 10:30 p.m. Central, or morning 6 to 7:30 a.m. Central, or 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central. That is where generally we run the algos.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Then the enable target profit. Right? That means how many ticks you want to. If we want, we can enable it, or you can just disable it because sometimes NQ can run 100 200 ticks also. If you put 40 ticks, what it will do? Whenever it makes 40, it will stop the trade.
Right. So basically 10 points.
Right. That is
Okay.
like 10 points. Yeah.
10
For
points
NQ,
or
yeah.
$200. Yeah.
Yeah, every point is 4 ticks. But if you don't want to put that, you can just disable it.
Okay.
Right? For example, you are a low risk trader. You want to, right? You are happy even if you make $50. You can just even put right 8 ticks or 10 ticks. And whenever it makes 8 ticks, 10 ticks, it will take the profit and it will stop for the day. Or
Hmm.
not for the day, for the trade. Whenever again it gets a buy
Wait,
signal.
wait.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The next one is that stop loss also. It is up to you. You can put some 80 ticks or something. Right. You can have like on a 50K account, you can for NQ, you have to right. NQ is so volatile, suddenly it goes up and down. So for NQ, better you put a higher stop loss, or you just only use MNQs.
Hmm.
But for all other tickers, what you have to do is, for example, gold, right? Every tick is $10. So you can use 30 ticks as the stop loss.
Okay.
Crude oil, every tick is $10. You use 30 ticks as the stop loss. But the target profit, you can just disable it so that if there is a big run, you will make big profits.
Hmm.
Right. And then that account, right, whichever you want, you can select that account. For example, you have a leader, right? For example, you are using Replicanto. You can put your leader account here. So whenever it takes a trade in the leader account, it will copy the trade into all the child accounts also. Right. For now, yeah, you can use him. Now that enabled, you have enabled checkbox, right? You have to enable it, right? That is where you are asking the algo to, you are, right? The algo is like your assistant. You are telling your assistant, now you take care of the trades, right? And if you come all the way down, for example, you have that set order quantity, right? Yeah. Change it to default quantity. Let us say you have a 250K account or you are using MNQ instead of NQ. Generally, algo will, by default, it will take one contract at a time. But if you want to change it to 2 or 3 or 4, you can change that number here. You can put as, if you want to take 4 micros, you can put 4, or you want to take 2 contracts or 3 contracts with a 250K account, you can put that number. Yeah. Right. Otherwise, you just leave it, right? If you just want to take one contract, you don't need to make any change there. And then you say apply. Yeah. Say okay. Okay, so whenever the algo, right, you have to see those two boxes on both the sides, then you know that your algo is enabled. You did not forget any check boxes or anything. Then, for example, right, earlier it gave a sell signal. Now we are waiting for the buy signal. Whenever buy happens, right, it won't take the existing trade. Already it is in a sell. It will wait for the next, if a buy comes now, it will take a buy trade automatically. You don't need to do anything. You just right. Tejas saw that already it is at the bottom.
Right.
So there is a higher chances for it to go up. So he enabled long only option. Whenever there is a buy signal, the algo automatically places the trade in that account, whichever he selected. And then whenever it goes to the midpoint or top, whenever there is a sell signal, automatically it will close the trade. So you just need to know when is the right time, right? Whenever I say that, okay, go and enable CL, go and enable heating oil, go and enable gold, right? Today I said like CL is at a good point now at the bottom of the channel, heating oil. So when we take manual trades, we tend to close within now 150 to $200. But CL heating oil, they move nearly $500-600 each. Right? If it is the algo will wait until the last minute to book the profits. And that is the advantage with algo. You don't need to keep watching at the screen when to take the trade, when to close the trade. Only thing you need to know is when to enable the algo. If it is at the bottom of the channel or top of the channel. If it is a bullish ticker, bottom of the channel, best time to enable algo with long only. If it is a bearish ticker and it is at the top of the channel, that is the best time to do short only.
Okay, so Kishore, a question here. So in that case, do we have to uncheck that enable option for the take profit?
Right, in that, right, especially in the morning times, the moves can be huge. Right, if
Okay,
you put a only 10 ticks or 20 ticks, right, that's what. Again, if you are a low risk trader, you are happy with small profits. You put 10 ticks, 20 ticks, you make that, you are happy. Or you may have one or two small losses, but there can be one big run, right? If it is a bullish ticker, it may go 50, 60 ticks up, just like what crude oil, heating oil, everything did today. They came to the bottom of the channel, they went all the way to the top.
okay,
So yeah, if you disable that, you may make huge profits
okay.
in within one trade.
Okay, so if we have, let's say, disabled the take profit, so algo will continue until it sees the reversal signal and then it
Right.
will just sell it off.
That is right. Yeah.
Right. And let's say if we have enabled that one, right now I have enabled for 40 tick, take profit. And let's say the algo have hit the profit, just like 40 ticks were hit. So what happened next? Algo will wait for the next buy signal or it will not take any more trade?
it will wait for the next buy because you kept it long only, right?
Okay,
So it took the 40 ticks profit. Now it will stop the trade, right? That may go 200 ticks, 300 ticks, but it will wait until next there is a buy signal.
another buy
Right.
signal. Okay.
Right.
But it will keep taking the trades. It will not just stop the trade by just taking only one trade a day or something.
That is right. Yeah. It will
Okay,
keep
but
taking the trades for every buy.
every buy signal it will see, it will continue taking the trade until that time period is over. Let's say
That is
between
right.
10 and 11:30, as soon
Right.
as the 11:30 click, the clock hits, it will automatically stop.
That is right. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
Can you
And
can you
it,
open can you open your NinjaTrader? Right. For example, today morning we saw that natural gas became bullish again, right? Till last night it was bearish. Today morning it became bullish.
NinjaTrader
Sorry, trading view.
trading.
But if you are manually touching it, right? You saw that it made 200, 300 and you are happy. You are manually closing the trade. You have to make sure to disable the strategy and enable it back. If you are not manually touching it, then algo will automatically do the buy and sells. But if we go and manually do something, then basically we are telling algo that okay, now I am back. You can take rest. Then it will not do anything. So, but if you are manually touching it, then you go to disable the algo, again enable it back, again it will start working.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah, can you click on the change percentage?
Second.
Yeah, go back again, that disappeared, heading view.
Or it disappeared?
Right.
Oh, sorry. You see it now?
Yeah, we can see it. Can you sort it on the change percentage?
Percentage?
The change percentage in the watch list. On the watch list is there, right? Full apex list.
Okay.
Yeah, click on the change percentage, the fourth column.
Okay.
Did you click on it?
Click one more time.
On the change percentage, or I can share it. Don't worry.
No, screen sharing is forced or it's forced? Okay.
So, for example, now, right? If you look at the change percentage, Ethereum, micro Ethereum is about 2%. That means it is one of the bullish tickers.
Hmm.
Bitcoin is above 1.2%. It is one of the bullish tickers. So you can enable long only on these tickers. Natural gas is above 0.5%. You can enable long only. So if something is above 1%, those tickers are good for long only with Prism. If
Oh,
something is below 1%, right? Again, market is closed for these ones. But in case if this is open, then these ones will do short only.
okay. So, question here, Kishore. So we need to create the chart for each and every of the sticker and have that install this Prism in it. Like enable the strategy has to be on that one. So all the chart has to be ready so that we can just go ahead and click on and off.
Right.
That's correct? Okay. Okay, so this bot can take the multiple ticker trade at the same time, or it will only take one?
No, no, it can take, even if you put 50 tickers, it can look at all 50 tickers and can take it.
Okay, and within
So
the
that
same.
is the advantage, right? Because We cannot watch 4, 5 screens at same time.
Right,
But the algo can look at all different tickers, and it can do.
right, right. Okay, okay. So within the same account, it will keep taking all the trades and everything. Right.
Right.
Okay, okay.
So Suresh, yeah, I gave you access. You have to follow the same steps. Um, so I hope everyone is clear with how to enable the indicator. What is the use of each indicator? What is the use of Prism algo? When to enable long only, when to enable short only. What is the advantage with the algo? You don't need to manually click on buy sell. Only thing is you need to know when to enable the algos. If you do it at the bottom of the channel or top of the channel, that is the best time.
This is pretty straightforward. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kishore. It's very self-explanatory and very easy to follow instructions.
Sure, Tejas. Yeah, Srini, you don't need to use a funded account. You can, you don't, right? You already, you can use on your Apex prop firm accounts or anything.
Hmm.
Uh, so, Pradeep Kumar, subscribe to Rhythmic, but you have only Mac. Yeah, please take the TraderWeight account. And then I already shared a clear video. I'll share one more time where we explained how to use your TraderWeight account, how to connect to TradingView. I'll share that video. Just you can. It is a simple, right? Just a 2 minute process. Are you or if you are Pratib, are you ready to share the screen?
Yeah. So I think what happened, thanks, Kishore. Yeah, I mean, I've been waiting since yesterday to ask this question. So what happened is I registered for TraderBit also. I think there is some issue that what they told is the credit card number and this one uh, it's not allowing. So I mean, it's not allowed. So they said they send me my DL and this one. So hence I did this. Hence they were waiting for their approval. Sorry, I mean I think you sent the request as a panelist. Maybe should I share my screen to show that?
No, no. Do you need any help to know how to integrate your TradingView and TraderWeight, or you are good?
Yeah, no. Okay, so first of all, right now I'm not able to use any of the Apex accounts. So the help I need is okay. Can I do something with the so the difference between Rhythmic and TraderWeight is only the Mac and the Windows difference, or do we have any other advantage? I know
You
that
cannot
from
you cannot
TradingView
connect
you can.
Rhythmic to TradingView, right? That is the first problem. If you want to use
Okay,
NinjaTrader platform, that is okay to have Rhythmic. But if you want to use TradingView and trade from there, because your TradingView is more UI will be more clear, more neat. You can combine different algorithms, different indicators, all these tables, right? That is where
okay.
we use the trader
So
weight because only trader weight can be connected to TradingView.
got it. So with the TradingView also I can use the Prism.
No, with TradingView, your top trend is like Prism, right? Both Prism and top trend gives the same buy and sell signals. Mm,
Oh, no, okay. Then I think I probably did not
You
get that. So I wanted that automated trade. So just now you were explaining the auto trade, right? Like
right. That is
automatically
called
the
as
system is
rhythm. Yeah, you have to use NinjaTrader and you have to use Rhythmic accounts. But if you want, you can
okay.
also use trader weight accounts also on Rhythmic. So if you have
Okay.
trader weight and Ninja Rhythmic accounts are like two different products of NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader bought the trader weight company. So
Okay.
TraderWeight is like a more new version. NinjaTrader Rhythmic is like an old version. The
I
advantage
see.
with TraderWeight is you can use it on Mac, you can use it on phone, you can use it on tab, you can connect to TraderWeight, TradingView. That is the major advantages. The advantage with Rhythmic is you can use all these Ninja algos, Ninja indicators. You can connect with the Replicanto. That is so. That's why generally I suggest if you are taking 3, 4 accounts, take 2 of each. So you can get the advantage of both.
Okay. So, okay, but Rhythmic, we can use it only on Windows. We cannot use it on Mac, right?
Right.
Okay.
Either you have to
So
get
then
a
I will,
VPS or you have to get some parallels or something. Yeah, I don't have Mac, but some
okay,
members said
okay,
they used parallels and they were able to use it.
okay. So, okay, no, maybe I think my question, I'm more towards Mac centric and trading view centric. I like that view and everything. But with the trading view, if you wanted to do this automatic trade of enabling this thing, still I can use, I can install the NinjaTrader and I can use the Prism and enable all the whatever demo you
Right.
did. I can still do it.
That is right. Yeah. Still that automation will happen. You can still watch them on TradingView. Whenever the algo takes a buy signal on TradingView, you can see that buy happening, sell happening, all those things.
Okay. So the
You
NinjaTrader download, I can download it from the Apex site only, is it?
Right. Apex will send you all the steps when you subscribe to their algo. Sorry, to the Rhythmic account. They will send
Oh,
you
I
all the
already
steps. Yeah, they will
okay, I
send you
already
step-by-step
subscribed to Rhythmic
instructions.
account. Yeah, but in the step-by-step instructions, so it was only the Rhythmic Pro. Rhythmic Pro, that is the
Yeah.
application
Then
they sent.
the first step will be Rhythmic Pro. The next will be NinjaTrader. You have to
Okay, but
complete
the
all
problem is
these.
with sorry, but Rhythmic Pro is available only for Windows, right?
Right.
So, but how do I get access to NinjaTrader?
That's what, right? Either you have to get a VPS and install on the VPS. VPS is like you are renting a laptop, renting a server. You pay
Okay,
$40 or something per month, and you install your Rhythmic Pro, your NinjaTrader, everything on that. If you have a MacBook, instead of buying a Windows laptop, you can rent that
okay,
VPS server. Or
VPS server.
you buy
Okay,
some $200, $300 Dell laptop with a Windows operating system and you install NinjaTrader in that.
I see. You mean Rhythmic Pro, right? First, I have to install Rhythmic Pro and then clear the valuation, and then I get the NinjaTrader.
Right. Rhythmic Pro is just like a data supplying software, right? You don't take any trades on Rhythmic Pro. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You mainly
Oh,
use either TraderWeight software or you use NinjaTrader software.
NinjaTrade software. Oh, you either use this one or that. And NinjaTrade is also applicable only for Windows.
Right.
Okay,
TraderWeight for
so
Mac and
then
NinjaTrader for Windows.
okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, Pratik.
All right. Thank you.
Sure. Sudhir, do you have any question?
Okay, sir. Yeah, so I think you just gave me access to the Prism, but I logged out on login, and I'm not able to see the Prism in the indicators.
Did you download all those files?
I downloaded Prism, so
Did you also download all the indicators? I sent you all the steps in the chat today.
okay, maybe I didn't do it. Maybe I will do it and come
Yeah,
back.
once you do, I'll also share the recording. You can follow the same steps.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Dev. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, I've been sending you messages. So for some reason, I only see two indicators, top trend and price pulse. I logged off, logged back in several times, but I only
Okay.
see two.
Yeah. Can you put your trading UID? Right now, I'll give that.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, I just put it in the chat.
Mm. No, is it B1 Which one you said you are missing that?
I'm seeing top trend and price pulse. Only two I'm seeing.
Okay, I gave you E and also Yeah, now you can log out and log back in. You will see on the floor.
Okay, I'll check it.
Yeah, think or swim. You can trade gold futures. You have to give /GC 2024 2024. You will be able to trade the gold futures or any futures. Yeah, Sudhir, do you have any questions? Venkat, do you have any other questions? Mukesh, do you have any questions?
Yes. I have a like on the NinjaTrader, like when I'm seeing like you told Prism to enable at the bottom of the channel for long only, right? So if it is at the top, and then if the channel looks uptrend, and then if it is on the top, should we enable like a short only, or should we?
That is little risky, right? Because when the ticker is bullish, it can just do a small pullback and again go up. So always bullish ticker, buy at the bottom.
Okay.
Bearish ticker, sell at the top. They will make you huge profits with one trade.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. Like I want to share my screen for like a trading view trade await account.
We'll do after taking the trade, but yeah, yeah,
Okay.
if there are any quick questions, I'm helping. Otherwise,
Okay.
after taking
Yeah.
trades, we can.
Hey, hi Kishore.
Having
Hello.
Yeah. So I have added all the indicators and everything in my NinjaTrader. Okay, so just want to know, like here it is not showing any buy or sell.
No indicators.
Sig-
Yeah, in Ninja will not show buy sell. Only the
Okay.
algo strategies will show.
Oh, okay. Then I'm good. Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Sam, do you have a question?
Yeah, no, Kishore. Somehow my, I mean, the Prism whatever I have set up, but it's missing. I did not able to make the Prism enable and all. So earlier we did that. Somehow from last 3 days I did not see anything.
What do you mean by you did not see it? You did not see it taking
The
buy and
strategies,
sell?
yeah, the strategies and the chart, whatever.
No, Rhythmic was having some issues in the last 3-4 days.
Okay.
But
No, I'm using only for the trader weight, the other one, not for the rhythmic one.
what do you mean by trade away?
Yeah.
That means the account you are using, the Rhythmic software is having issues.
Sorry, Kishore, can you repeat that?
No, the Rhythmic software is right. Whether you use trade away account or Rhythmic account, the NinjaTrader Rhythmic software is having issues. So that might be the reason why it might have not taken trades in last 3-4 days. But I see that some members are able to use it. Maybe after taking trades, I'll see your screen. You might have missing some settings or something.
Whatever you explained earlier for the setup for the charts and all the beta and all the strategies, those are missing, Kishore. So you are also talking about the same, or?
No. What I'm saying is we already enabled everything. It was looking good. You might be again doing something wrong, which I'll see after taking the trades.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah.
Right. Srini, yeah, please. Who is Srini
Sure, I have
BS?
one question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so basically I have one question. I imported all the algos into all the indicators into my trading view account. So if, for example, Tesla today, I was looking at today's chart. It's always in the middle, but still I get like the buy signals.
Right.
Should we go ahead?
No, it's always better if you want low risk, just to wait for the buy at the bottom because there are so many tickers, right?
I see. Okay, so it's not good idea to take the trade when it's in the middle or it's not touch the bottom.
Right. Again, with experience, you will understand GGG and other strategies. But yeah, to start with, always bottom, buy at bottom for bullish, sell at top for the bearish. That is the best strategy. You will not lose any accounts.
Okay.
Hey, Kishore.
And also,
Srini
if you
here.
take the
Sorry,
if
sorry,
you
go.
take the trade at the bottom of the thing, right? So when to sell? Should we wait till it reaches the top of the top of the channel?
No, first thing is you can sell at the midpoint. Right, when it comes to the
Okay.
midpoint of the channel, sometimes it can do a reversal. But if it also breaks the midpoint and then you see right good big green candles, you can again take one more trade and it will go all the way to the top.
I see. Okay.
Hi, Kishore.
Got it.
This is Srini here. Quick question on the trading view indicators. You said like we go by percentage change and then determine the direction or whether it is bearish or bullish, correct?
That is
But
one
sometimes,
way.
yeah, but
Yeah.
sometimes when we see the channel, it is in the opposite. Like the percentage change will be in terms of red, whereas the channel will be pointing upward. So how do we infer that?
Right. Yeah. For example, it might have already moved huge and now it might have come down.
Okay.
But that's what you look at multiple factors, right? That's why you are not just depending on one channel indicator or something. You
Okay.
see your trend table, you see your RSI table, you see ultimate D. If everything is green, we go long. If everything is red, we go short. But just as a shortcut, what I'm trying to say is instead of focusing on 30, 40 tickers, if you are a new trader, just to look at the top two, top three at the bottom, top three at the top, and bottom three, which are bearish. Generally, 80% of the time, they will be completely bullish or bearish for the day.
Okay, but the channel will give us the current trend, correct? The latest trend, irrespective of what happened at the opening
Right.
hour,
Right.
correct? So we should go by the channel. If the channel is going downwards, then it's more likely to be bearish, and then take the trades accordingly.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Again, you are not just looking at the channel, right? As I said,
Yeah.
we are looking at 3-4 different indicators and we are taking a decision.
Yeah. No. So this prism thing. So we either put long or short, correct? So I was just wondering, how do I relate to that?
Right. Right.
Okay. And one other thing for my NinjaTrader indicators and strategy, if you can provide me the license, that will be really great.
Are you a 399 member? I don't know.
What is it? I think I had signed up for the 399 plan, and then as part of that, you had indicated it. Okay, I have an email. I'll kind of write an email to you, so you will have the context.
Yeah. Or you can just send me the mission ID, all those things.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Yeah. If there are no other questions, we'll take the trades first. And then if there are any other questions, I'll help the other members. Mohan, do you have any question? Yeah, Mohan.
Sure, I'm not seeing the MTE indicator.
Can you put your trading view ID?
Okay, I will do that. And one more question I have is like Replicanto is not doing the replication for my trades.
Yeah,
I
there might be
think
something wrong in the settings.
yeah, tomorrow I'll join early and
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
ask a question. Thanks, Kishan.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take just a 1-2 minutes break and we'll start at 8:20 for the live trading. After taking live trades, if anyone has any other questions, we'll help those members. Yeah, we are starting live trading now.